guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make a cake table. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, for making a cake table we need some things like the cake base. We have taken 3 cake bases. I have colored them white in color. The 2 bases I have colored and the golden one I have left as it is, and from down I have colored it white. And then after that we need some rolls. Okay guys, so the rolls should I have colored them also white, and one is thick and the other one is thin, and one I have slit cut, and then to stick it I have slit cut it. And now we need, okay guys, now we need a brush. So brush, we don't need much, but we have taken, and super glue, fevicol, we need these both, and one paper also, we need white paper cut in the center. And guys, I have also drawn some rough outlines, so let's keep it. And now we need a bowl, some water, and a pair of scissors. So guys, now let's keep the base aside. The white one is the base guys, and make sure it is heavy, because if it is not heavy then it will fall. And guys, now the thin one we will stick, the thin roll we will stick on the upper one, means on the golden one. We will stick the white one with the help of a super glue. Okay guys, so apply some super glue in the center, mark a center, and then apply super glue and then stick it. So guys, now as you can see we have sticked, and now let's keep it aside for drying. And guys, now let's take the base, and then in the same way we will stick the thick one, broad one roll on the base. So guys, the cuts which we have done, on that we have to put some glue and then stick. So guys, as you can see we have sticked it. Now let's keep this also for drying. Keep it aside guys, and then after that we need the paper. So take the paper, open it, and then as you all can see the rough outlinings in the paper, from that we need to cut it. Okay, so guys, now let's cut it. So as you all can see, now we have cut, and now guys we don't need the scissors. And now I will show you how to stick it. So guys, insert in the hole, there we have made a hole for this only. And now guys, insert it, and after that stick it. Okay guys, now let's keep it aside. And then we need the bowl. In the bowl put some water. Guys, don't use only fevicol because it will take too much time. So take some water and then add fevicol in this. So guys, now as you all can see I have added some fevicol. If you need, then you can add more. Okay guys, now after adding the fevicol, guys, now we need to mix it with the help of the paintbrush. Now guys, as you all can see I am mixing it with the paintbrush. Now guys, if you need more fevicol then you can add, and if not then it is okay. So guys, I have used the broad brush because the broad brush helps us and it takes less time. So guys, I needed more fevicol, so I have taken some more fevicol. And now let's mix it now. And guys, after mixing it, we need to apply it on the base. Only on the small base you all apply it. Now guys, see, I am applying it in the same way you also need to apply, and apply it on the whole base so that it doesn't gets like somewhere it's not strict and somewhere it is strict. So don't do like that, and you need to stick it nicely. So guys, as you all can see I am applying it on the base now, and guys, now I have applied it. So now keep it aside for drying, and let's take the small one, means the small pipe one, and tear some sheets of paper, white paper, and apply it with the help of the solution which we prepared of Fevicol and water. So guys, as you all can see, I have applied it, and now we don't need to do anything, only keep it aside for drying. So I kept it, and then we need to insert the foil sheet in the paper. And now as you all can see, sorry, not the paper, in the broad one. And now guys, as you all can see, it is rotating very nicely. So guys, it is easy to prepare, and just make sure that it is heavy base. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.